This is Home Rentals LA, and welcome to 15024 Friar Street. This home has great curb appeal, a nice big front yard, and a long driveway that leads you down to your 2-car detached garage. Small little porch, and walk into your new home. You've got the living and dining area. These French doors that go right out to the front. Recently remodeled kitchen. Tons of cabinet space, granite counters. You got all your appliances. And a nice view of the backyard. Also off the kitchen is a 3/4 bath for your guests. And right out into this huge, expansive deck. Walking back towards the bedrooms. You have a linen closet right here. And your stackable washer dryer to the left. So down the hall, we have our first bedroom, the master bedroom, with an ensuite bath and shower. This room is very spacious, has tons of natural light, and 2 closets. You've got one there, and you've got a full walk in here. Right next door, you have the second bedroom. Also with a spacious closet. It's pretty deep, goes in there. And the third bedroom has French doors giving access to the deck, to the backyard. And then the third and final bathroom is also remodeled. Full tub in this one. Back outside to this large, expansive deck. It's perfect space for an outdoor seating area. You've got tons of grass, tons of space for entertaining. We've had some tenants in the past set up some chairs out here on the lawn and put up a screen out there for some outdoor movie entertainment. And lastly, you've got the long driveway for parking, but you've also got a spacious 2-car garage. And that's about it. Again, this is 15024 Friar Street. If you have any questions, call us today.